Spectrophotometers are essential instruments for accurately measuring light absorption and concentration in scientific research, environmental testing, clinical laboratories, and industrial quality control. With precise optical performance, intuitive operation, and reliable results, they are indispensable tools for accurate analysis. Here are the top 4 spectrophotometers you should consider today. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 4. Muse Spectro 1 Pro Spectrophotometer. Finding the exact paint shade can often be far more challenging than it appears, especially when working on touch-ups, renovations, product design, or professional color matching projects. This portable spectrophotometer eliminates much of that uncertainty by delivering laboratory-level color analysis in a compact handheld device. Designed for painters, interior designers, decorators, contractors, product developers, and creative professionals, it captures highly accurate color information and transforms complex matching tasks into a fast and reliable workflow. Instead of relying on visual estimates that can vary under different lighting conditions, users receive precise digital color measurements that improve consistency from one project to the next. At the heart of the device is a professional-grade spectrophotometer combined with advanced colorimeter technology and high-precision optical sensors. Together, these components capture subtle color variations with remarkable accuracy, making it possible to identify exact paint shades across a wide variety of surfaces. Whether matching an existing wall color, selecting finishes for furniture, comparing materials, or reproducing brand-specific colors, the device delivers dependable results that reduce wasted paint, unnecessary material purchases, and repeated trial and error adjustments. Consistent readings also help ensure projects maintain the same appearance even when completed over multiple sessions. Portability is another major advantage. The compact handheld design makes it easy to carry between client locations, construction sites, design studios, workshops, or retail paint stores without adding unnecessary bulk. Included accessories, such as the USB charging cable and protective carrying pouch, make transportation even more convenient while helping protect the instrument during everyday travel. Its lightweight construction encourages professionals to keep it readily available whenever accurate color measurement becomes necessary. Performance remains impressive across different surfaces and lighting environments. Rather than producing inconsistent readings when environmental conditions change, the integrated optical system is engineered to maintain reliable measurements across a variety of materials and finishes. Support for major paint brand fan deck libraries further enhances productivity by allowing users to compare captured colors against established paint collections, making it significantly easier to identify the closest available commercial paint match for renovation, decoration, or restoration work. Pros: lab accuracy, wireless sync, portable design, broad compatibility. Cons: premium price, app required. Number 3. Muse 9600 Spectrophotometer. Matching paint colors by eye often leads to unexpected differences once the paint is applied, especially under changing lighting conditions or across larger surfaces. This portable mobile color matching tool is designed to remove that uncertainty by providing fast and reliable digital color identification wherever inspiration or professional work takes you. Whether used by interior designers, painters, decorators, architects, contractors, retail paint specialists, or creative hobbyists, it simplifies the process of finding the closest matching paint colors and related products with impressive speed and accuracy. Instead of carrying countless color samples or relying on visual judgment, users can scan a surface and receive detailed color information within moments. Its compact handheld design makes portability one of its greatest strengths. Small enough to fit comfortably into a toolbox, design kit, or pocket, the device can be carried effortlessly between client meetings, construction sites, furniture stores, renovation projects, or decorating consultations. Wireless connectivity allows seamless communication with the companion mobile application, enabling users to capture color information almost anywhere without complicated setup procedures. This flexibility makes it particularly valuable for professionals who frequently work outside traditional offices or studios and require dependable color matching on location. Accuracy is another important advantage. Designed to achieve an impressive matching success rate of more than 90% under suitable conditions, the device provides dependable guidance when selecting paint products for larger wall applications or renovation projects. While the best performance is achieved by scanning smooth and flat surfaces, the results offer significantly greater consistency than visual comparison alone. This helps reduce costly paint selection mistakes while improving confidence before committing to larger decorating or restoration work. One of the most practical features is the extensive product library available through the companion application. Instead of limiting users to a single manufacturer, the system searches among numerous well-known paint collections, making it much easier to identify commercially available alternatives that closely resemble the scanned color. This broad compatibility is especially useful for professionals working with multiple paint suppliers or clients who prefer specific brands for their projects. The ability to locate matching products quickly helps streamline purchasing decisions while reducing unnecessary trial and error. Pros: accurate matching, portable design, large library, wireless connectivity. Cons: flat surfaces, app dependent. Number 2. Nix Spectro 2 Spectrophotometer. Achieving consistent color across print, packaging, coatings, and painted surfaces requires far more than visual judgment. Even slight color variations can affect product quality, brand identity, and customer satisfaction. This professional portable spectrophotometer is designed to eliminate uncertainty by providing highly accurate color measurement in a compact handheld format. Built for print specialists, packaging manufacturers, graphic designers, paint professionals, quality control teams, and industrial users, it combines advanced optical technology with intelligent software to deliver laboratory-quality color analysis wherever precise measurement is required. Its outstanding measurement capability immediately sets it apart from conventional portable color readers. Scanning once every second across 31 UV visible spectral channels, it captures detailed color information with exceptional precision and repeatability. This high-resolution measurement allows users to evaluate subtle color differences that would be nearly impossible to distinguish by eye alone. Whether inspecting printed packaging, matching paint finishes, evaluating coatings, or verifying production consistency, the device delivers dependable data that supports accurate decision-making and repeatable manufacturing results. The versatility of the instrument extends well beyond simple color matching. It provides comprehensive color information, including CMYK, RGB, hex, ink density, and delta E values, allowing professionals to evaluate both digital and physical color performance using internationally recognized measurement standards. Delta E analysis is particularly valuable in quality assurance because it quantifies color differences with precision, helping production teams determine whether finished products remain within acceptable tolerance levels before reaching customers. For professionals working in commercial printing and packaging, the device offers significant workflow advantages. It enables accurate press verification and ongoing color quality monitoring throughout production, reducing waste caused by inconsistent color output. Users who require even deeper print quality analysis can expand its capabilities with dedicated professional software that introduces additional quality assurance tools for maintaining consistent results across extended production runs. This makes the spectrophotometer equally suitable for independent designers, commercial print facilities, packaging manufacturers, and industrial production environments where reliable color control directly impacts product quality. Pros: exceptional accuracy, delta E analysis, extensive libraries, portable design. Cons: subscription features. Number 1, and the winner is Muse Spectro 1 Spectrophotometer. When precise color reproduction is essential, relying on visual judgment alone can easily lead to costly mistakes and inconsistent results. This portable mobile spectrophotometer is designed to eliminate that uncertainty by providing professional-grade color measurement in a compact handheld device. Whether working in interior design, commercial printing, product manufacturing, packaging, painting, quality control, or creative design, it captures highly accurate color information that helps users achieve dependable color consistency across a wide variety of projects. Instead of comparing samples by eye, users can scan a surface and instantly receive detailed digital color data that supports confident decision-making. Professional measurement technology is at the heart of its performance, combining the functions of a spectrophotometer, colorimeter, spectrometer, paint scanner, and precision color sensor. It analyzes reflected light with impressive accuracy to identify exact color characteristics. Detailed reflectance curves, raw color values, and comprehensive spectral information provide a much deeper understanding of color than conventional matching methods. This level of precision is especially valuable when reproducing existing finishes, maintaining brand colors, evaluating manufacturing consistency, or selecting matching paints for renovation and restoration projects. Its compact and lightweight construction makes professional color analysis remarkably portable. The handheld design allows users to carry it comfortably between design studios, construction sites, customer meetings, production facilities, retail paint stores, and inspection locations without adding unnecessary bulk. Despite its small size, the instrument delivers reliable measurement performance across a wide range of flat surfaces, making it suitable for both professional environments and everyday creative work where accurate color information is required on demand. Wireless connectivity significantly improves workflow efficiency by pairing seamlessly with the companion application available for compatible mobile devices. Capturing a color requires only a quick scan, after which detailed color information becomes immediately available through the application. This streamlined process allows users to organize projects, compare measurements, store reference colors, and manage color data without complicated manual recording. The intuitive workflow saves valuable time while helping reduce the errors that often accompany traditional color matching techniques. Pros: professional accuracy, wireless connectivity, portable design, spectral analysis. Cons: app required. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.